In today's video, I'm going to teach you how to get your DocuSign link quickly and easily. This simple process will only take a few minutes, so let's dive right in. First, we need to go to the DocuSign website, the leader in electronic signature and intelligent agreement management. Opening your web browser, enter DocuSign.com into the search bar. Once the homepage appears, you'll see various options and features that DocuSign offers. But for now, let's focus on logging into your account, which is our next step. Once on the DocuSign homepage, look for the login button and go ahead and click on it. You'll be directed to a login screen where you can input your credentials. If you haven't created an account yet, you'll want to sign up by following the on-screen prompts, which is a pretty straightforward process. However, since this tutorial focuses on those who already have an account, we're assuming you're ready to enter your username and password. Once you're logged in, you'll be taken to the DocuSign homepage. Now find your way to the admin section. This part is crucial as it's the gateway to accessing more detailed settings and options within DocuSign. In the top area of your dashboard, you'll see an admin button. Click it. After clicking on the admin button, you'll land on your admin dashboard. Here you'll want to look for permission profiles. It's typically located within the main menu or sidebar. Once located, click on permission profiles. This section allows you to manage what kinds of access and control different users have within your DocuSign account. Next, from the permission profiles menu, you'll need to select signing settings. Clicking on this will guide you to various options related to who can sign documents and under what circumstances. Explore this page for a brief moment to understand the different settings you can adjust, though for now our focus remains on obtaining the link you need. And finally, you will see an option labelled link. This is what we're ultimately after. Go ahead and click on link. In this context, the link refers to a URL or a digital access point that you'll use for your electronic signature tasks. Once you click on it, you should be able to view or copy the link as needed for your workflow. And there you have it, you've successfully navigated through DocuSign's settings to find your link. Remember, navigating digital platforms like DocuSign may seem daunting at first, but with a bit of guidance, it can become second nature. I hope this tutorial was helpful and straightforward. If you have any more questions, feel free to explore the rest of our channel for additional tutorials and tips. Thanks for watching, and see you next time.